you tone it.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Cumberland, New Jersey.
Now you tone it.
1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shoreline and tidal waterways.
Stupid.
Where? Cumberland, Atlantic, Cape May, Atlantic, coastal Cape May, and coastal Atlantic. When? Until 5 p.m. Monday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and
This
bayside
crap
communities
dumb.
and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge. At Atlantic City Steel Pier, low tide is at 5:36 p.m.
God damn, that delay is terrible, but, got hair in my mouth. So, yeah, this happened earlier. That's when I got woke up the first time, and then I'm just minding my own business, watching YouTube, and, goddamn it, okay, minding my own business, watching some YouTube videos, and then I hear that one, and I'm like, what the fuck? And then I see coastal flood warning, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, now I toned it, fuck my ass.